So this is my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I lost the pen, unfortunately. So I don't know what to do, but I searched online, and I think this is my order now. So I will open it. So this is the back. Oh, look at that. There's a little bit of I hope this is the I will take a photo of that. Yeah, okay. So we'll open it. So let me see what's inside. S Pen, Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I will take this out. So as you can see, the picture is kind of the same. I don't know the original one, but we'll try to open this. There you go. Yeah. I bought this for, I think, 40 plus or 49 or 59. Let's see. Okay. It's very handy if you have this knife. Oops. What's that? I don't know, what is this? Tracking maybe? Let's see. This pen. Oh, where's the pen? Oh, it's there. Oh, this is the pen. Now, the moment of truth. We'll see if you see this.